Hi Wildcats, it's me again from AS Dining here at Cats in the Kitchen, and today we're going to take all of our pantry items that you students should be taking advantage of, get from the pantry all this great food. So today we're going to make a chicken ramen bowl. We're going to use our tips that we had earlier from Andrew about using our juice to cook our ramen in. We're going to use our onions that Andrew showed us how to chop up, and we're going to make a great ramen bowl for you today. You want to saute up your onions until they're nice and caramelized, so they get that nice sweetness that come out of it. And then once that's done, for about 5 minutes, it's called sweating, then you'll add your liquid to that, and then the ramen. So now we're going to add our different vegetables. So to our pan, we're going to add our juices that are already in there, and we're going to boil our ramen in there. So you can add whatever kind of vegetables that you would like. Say you don't like corn, you can add beets, you can add broccoli, whatever you get in your bag, that would be great. You could add frozen vegetables. So into our ramen, we're going to add our chicken, and we're going to add our vegetables. Our ramen is all done, and now we have our nice ramen bowl. It's all juicy and tasty. So add whatever you would like to that, Wildcats. Make it your own. Okay, let's go plate it up. So now, take some of your nice ramen, some of that nice chicken that we have in there, got plenty of vegetables, get some of that nice juice. And that's what we call deluxe ramen bowl from the Wildcats. So once again, this is Mimi from AS Dining with Cats in the Kitchen. See you around, Wildcats.